Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Febriandika Rahayuning Tias. Today I will explain about two research cases for my statistics final assignment. The first is an experimental research case and a correlational research case. Now let's start from experimental research case. The title is the effect of video animation as contextual support on students' reading comprehension. The context is many 7th grade junior high school students experience difficulties in understanding English reading text. Although they may recognize some vocabulary, they often struggle to understand meanings within context. This problem indicates the need of contextual support in reading instruction. Therefore, this study investigates whether video animation can help improve students' reading comprehension. The research problem is there any significant difference in student reading comprehension before and after the use of video animation as contextual support? This study has two variables. The first is video animation as contextual support as the independent variable, and then the students' reading comprehension as the dependent variable. The scale of measurement used in this study is interval. The students' reading comprehension scores obtained from the pretest and posttest are measured on an interval scale. The participants were 15 7th grade junior high school students. Before the treatment, the students were given a pretest to measure their initial reading comprehension. After that, video animation was used as contextual support during the reading instruction, and then the posttest was administered. The data were analyzed using non-parametric statistics because the number of participants was relatively small. The Wilcoxon Sign Rank Test was applied to compare the students' reading scores before and after the treatment. All statistical analyses were conducted using SPSS with significance level of alpha 0.05. And then the procedures. The first is stating the hypothesis. Null hypothesis. There is no significant difference in students' reading comprehension before and after the use of animation as contextual support. Alternative hypothesis. There is significant difference in students' reading comprehension before and after the use of animation as contextual support. The second is doing calculation using SPSS. The first is open SPSS and go to variable view. Lalu ketik pretest di name column dan pretest score di label column. Lalu ketik posttest di name column, lalu posttest score in the label column. Lalu input the data in data view. Seperti ini. Lalu klik analyze. Lalu pilih non-parametric test. Lalu pilih legacy dialogs, lalu pilih two related samples. Setelah itu, pindahkan pretest score dan posttest score di box yang sebelah kanan, seperti ini. Lalu centang Wilcoxon dan OK. The result will be shown like this. The result of Wilcoxon Sign Rank Test shows that the p-value is smaller than 0.001, which is smaller than the significance level of 0.05. This indicates that there is a significant difference between the students' pretest and posttest scores. Therefore, the null hypothesis is rejected. Based on the result of analysis, It can be concluded that the use of video animation as contextual support is effective in improving students' reading comprehension, as the students' post-test score are significantly higher than their pre-test scores. Now let's move to the correlational research. The title is The Relationship Between Students' Engagement in Commercial Narrative Video Games and Their Reading Comprehension. The context is many senior high school students find reading activities using textbook-based text monotonous and unengaging, which can reduce their interest in reading comprehension. In contrast, commercial narrative video games present stories through visuals, animations, and contextualized language that make the reading experience more engaging and meaningful. Therefore, students may prefer understanding reading context through narrative video games rather than conventional text. Based on this context, this study examines the relationship between students' engagement in commercial narrative video games and their reading comprehension. The research problem is there a significant relationship between students' engagement in commercial narrative video games and their reading comprehension? This study has two variables. The first is students' engagement in commercial narrative video game as the independent variable, and then students' reading comprehension as the dependent variable. Students' engagement was measured using a 5-point Likert scale, ordinal, while students' reading comprehension was measured using test scores, or interval. The correlational study involved 15 senior high school students. Their engagement in commercial narrative video games was measured through a questionnaire, and their reading comprehension was measured using a test. The relationship between the two variables was then analyzed using Spearman's correlation. And then statistical analysis. This study uses Spearman's rank order correlation, a non-parametric test, because the engagement data are ordinal. The analysis aims to identify the strength and significance of the relationship between the two variables. The procedures: the first is stating the hypothesis. Null hypothesis: there is no significant difference between students' engagement in commercial narrative video games and their reading comprehension. Alternative hypothesis: there is a significant difference between students' engagement in commercial narrative video games and their reading comprehension. And then doing the calculation using SPSS. The first is open the variable view and then type engagement in the name column and students' engagement in the label. Bawahnya ketik reading score di name column, lalu students reading score di label. Lalu kita move ke data view, lalu input the data seperti ini, lalu klik analyze, lalu pilih correlate, lalu bivariate. Setelah itu move the engagement and reading score to the right box seperti ini, lalu centang Spearman, lalu klik OK. The results will be shown like this. From the result, we can interpret that the coefficient of correlation is 0.958. This means that there is a very strong positive correlation between students' engagement in commercial narrative video games and their reading comprehension. It also shows that the p-value is less than 0.001. Considering that less than 0.001 is smaller than 0.05, the null hypothesis is rejected. Based on the results of Spearman correlation analysis, this study concludes that There is a significant positive relationship between students' engagement in commercial narrative video games and their reading comprehension. Students with higher levels of engagement tend to show better reading comprehension. Therefore, commercial narrative video games might provide an engaging context that supports students' reading comprehension. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.